I'm back again, and this time we're going to do a bang trim. So you can tell my bangs are really long. So here I am in my cape, like a superhero. I brought my little pink pewter clips to clip my hair back here so that we can get this show on the road. I'll be fancy. Nobody will see it. It's behind my head, but you know, but you can tell they're beautiful. If you don't know what pink pewter is, I'll tag it in the bottom. They're an awesome company owned by a really amazing lady. Let's just do this. I also brought her comb. She makes this, so it's a pink pewter comb. You can like do updos while having the comb in your hand without putting it down, or like if you're doing foils, it's pretty sweet. It's really hard to do on the phone, of course, because we've gone through this like 3 times. If you haven't watched my other videos, go for it. Everything I do is a little harder. Now I have a mustache and a unibrow. It's pretty sweet. It gets easier once you get the bulk off.
Some things you just learn as life brings it on.
I style my bangs first to like, you know, I blow dried them and did all the things the way I wear them so that they're exactly how I'll do them. So you want to do that. This is terrible. I usually do this before I shower. I'm gonna have a rough day. But you guys get the idea. Obviously I have like really good shears, so that helps. Why it seems like it's cutting so well is because these shears are incredible. They're Mizutani. If you're a hairstylist, I highly suggest them. I'll put a link to my dealer at the bottom also. Yeah, so you guys can see what I do. Then in here I kind of, and be careful too, if you cut your hair like to your brows or something of that nature, make sure your eyebrows aren't raised because you'll cut your bangs way higher than you normally would. So make sure your eyebrows are at resting position. Oh yeah, that's much better. And I usually comb them through like a lot of times to make sure there's not any weird hairs that need to be, that want to live somewhere else. What's funny is of all the things I've done, besides the fact that feels like there's more hair on me than usual, this actually is easier to do than the other stuff in the phone. Like, because I guess I'm not that close when I'm cutting my bangs anyway, technically. I'm a little bit away. But yeah, all the stuff I'm doing in a phone camera, it's super weird. Like, it's not easy. It's a lot harder to do than when you're just doing things. I think I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm good. All right. So there you have it. Do a good little shake, make sure everything's still falling where it needs to fall. And that's pretty much it. I think I did it. Yep, that's pretty good. Oh no, I lied. I see a little spot that's bothering me. Sorry. Bye. There, that's better. Now all of it's bothering me. I'm gonna go through one more time. Before you know it, I'll have micro bangs. Cool. And that is all, folks. And that is how I do my bangs. Voila.